Bienvenidos a todos.
Great to see you back here on Jeremy E. Watson Educational Center. Today, you will learn the 7 days of the week and the 12 months of the year in Spanish with pronunciation, repetition, examples, and a fun quiz at the end. Let's get started. Repeat after me. Days of the week.
Lunes,
Monday,
martes,
Tuesday,
miércoles,
Wednesday,
jueves,
Thursday,
viernes,
Friday,
sábado,
Saturday,
domingo,
Sunday. Let's take a quick look back at the weekly 7-day names. Monday,
lunes,
Tuesday,
martes,
Wednesday,
miércoles,
Thursday,
jueves,
Friday,
viernes,
Saturday,
sábado,
Sunday.
domingo.
Awesome! Months of the year.
Enero,
January,
febrero,
February,
marzo,
March,
abril,
April,
mayo,
May,
junio,
June,
julio,
July,
agosto,
August,
septiembre,
September,
octubre,
October,
noviembre,
November,
diciembre.
December. Let's quickly revisit all the 12-month names of the year. January,
Enero,
February,
febrero,
March,
marzo,
April,
abril,
May,
mayo,
June,
junio,
July,
julio,
August,
agosto,
September,
septiembre,
October,
octubre,
November,
noviembre,
December.
diciembre.
You're doing great! Quick practice round. To friends conversation.
Friend A.
I'm struggling to remember the Spanish days and months. I feel like I'm not learning fast enough.
Friend B.
Hey, don't worry. I'm here. Let's do it together, okay? Start with the 7 days.
Friend A.
Alright.
Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo.
Friend B.
See, you already know them. Now the 12 months.
Friend A.
Okay.
Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre.
Friend B.
You said all of them perfectly. You're doing great.
Quick quiz. What is Monday in Spanish?
lunes,
Which one means Thursday?
jueves, sábado,
Refers to which day? Saturday.
agosto,
Refers to which month? August. Which month is
febrero,
February? What is January in Spanish?
enero.
Great job! You'll learn the 7 days of the week and the 12 months of the year in Spanish. Don't forget to repeat daily, practice with the quiz, and check our other Spanish lessons. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to support the channel. Thank you for learning with us.